Why you need to use the Smith machine. Hey there, fitness fanatics. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of gym equipment and shedding some light on why you need to incorporate the Smith machine into your workout routine. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a Smith machine? Well, let me break it down for you. The Smith machine is a versatile piece of gym equipment that consists of a barbell attached to a vertical track. It allows you to perform various exercises, such as squats, lunges, bench presses, and so much more. The Smith machine can be beneficial for beginners, individuals recovering from injuries, or those who may need additional assistance with stability. Using the Smith machine can provide several benefits and reasons to incorporate it into your workout routine. Here are some potential advantages. Safety. One of the main advantages of using the Smith machine is the added safety it provides. The Smith machine offers built-in safety features such as adjustable safety catches or hooks. These can prevent the barbell from descending too low and provide a safety mechanism in case you cannot complete a repetition. This feature can be especially helpful for beginners or individuals who may not have a spotter available. Stabilization assistance. The fixed vertical movement path of the Smith machine can assist with stabilization during exercises. This can be beneficial if you're new to weightlifting or working on developing stability and control. The machine provides a more controlled environment, allowing you to focus on technique and form without worrying as much about balance. Muscle isolation. The Smith machine can be useful for isolating specific muscle groups. By fixing the barbell's movement along a predetermined path, you can target specific muscles without having to worry as much about maintaining balance or stabilizing the weight. This can be beneficial for individuals who want to focus on specific muscle groups or work through rehabilitation exercises. Variation in range of motion. The Smith machine allows you to control the range of motion during exercises. By adjusting the starting height of the barbell and utilizing the safety catches, you can modify the range of motion to suit your needs or work around any mobility limitations. This versatility can help you perform exercises with proper form and reduce the risk of injury. Confidence and skill development. The Smith machine can be a confidence builder, particularly for beginners. It provides a controlled environment that can help you develop proper lifting technique, gain familiarity with various exercises, and gradually build strength and skill. This can serve as a stepping stone to eventually transitioning to free weight exercises. Supplemental training. The Smith machine can be a valuable addition to your overall training program. While it may not replace free weight exercises entirely, it can be used as a complementary tool to target specific muscles, work on stability, or introduce variations to your routine. By incorporating the Smith machine strategically, you can add variety and challenge to your workouts. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, the Smith machine is an absolute must-have in your gym arsenal. It offers safety, versatility, and the opportunity to take your workouts to the next level. Trust me, once you experience the benefits of the Smith machine, you won't want to go back. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and equipment reviews. Stay strong, and we'll see you in the next one.